What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're hitting the road on an epic road trip. We're heading to Mount Maunganui to check out the car culture down there. We've got the JZX 100 and the R32, man. It's about a 600k trip, man. First up we're getting coffee, then we're hitting the road. Man, you gotta have coffee on the way. We're about halfway there. Cars are going good, man. Some awesome scenery here. There's gonna be so many good cars here. I love going to new places and seeing cars I haven't seen before. Meeting new people, man. Man, let's get it and let's hit the road and get there. You gotta always come prepared on road trips like this, man. We're a few hours out of town. Oils, tools, you name it, man. Got a fire extinguisher and a first aid kit, all strapped down, man. We're here now, let's go check out this event. On the way down, the roads were so wet, it rained so much, man, but it was fun. The cars are filthy, we're giving them a clean. We're almost at this meet, man, can't wait. We just got here, man, by the beach. Cars absolutely everywhere, man. You know we love to see it. Let's go check them out. Man, check this out. First car we've seen is this wide body chaser in red, looking so hot. Look how wide the front guards are. Far out. And the rear guards, I love it. It's like a two-piece. It's rear quarter and rear door, man. What a sick chaser. How good is this FC RX-7, man? Sitting low on the mices with the big Ben Sports Aero. So clean, man. I love black on black. So good. Look at this, got RX-8 seats in there. This is so tidy. Apparently this is up for sale, man. I would love to drive this. It's so good. Two more rotors, man. Check out this 323 hatch. So good. Four-door hatch in pink, sitting slammed on the Simmons. Check this out, man. It's got a full-on roll cage, custom seats. Oh, this is cool, man. This is some New Zealand style. Tiny stereo, custom dash, man. I love to see it. And here we got a wild lineup of GDRs. This 32, R32 Ego on the CR cars. Woo! And bronze, man, that just hits. But this R33 really hits for me on the Nismo wheels, number plate RE Killer. That looks so good. And this one here, loving the green color, Millennium Jade, man. The black and green just works well. But I'm a huge fan of this R32 in the blue, man. So aggressive with its super low side skirts and undersplitters, man. This is wild. Next lineup of cars, we got a slammed out RX-7 convertible. This one rocking Ben Sports Aero and wide body, looking tough, man. And we got an Evo 5 over here. This one's looking fresh and clean. Down here we got WRX, STI, Evo 10 and another black chaser, man. This is a huge event. And this is a car we needed to take a better look at. How aggressive does this look? 180 SX, midnight purple with the custom graphics, man. This looks wild. Got the chrome equips there. Vented hood, man. This is sick. Rowdy Commodore just rolled in. There's a bit of everything down here, man. You know when a bonnet's pop, man, we got to check this out. And this R32 has a clean engine bay. Everything detailed, everything in its place, man. I love the cool cover there, letting some hot air out. Fully detailed, man. This is one clean R32. Man, they love their Skylines down here. Another one with a fully detailed engine bay. Look at that intake pipe there, man. That bracket is sick and the hard lines going on there. Look at this battery catch can setup here. This is super clean, man. This is another really well put together car. This S15 caught my attention rolling down the street on the VSKFs. This kit just hits the color, the 326 power wing, man. I love to see it. What's up, guys? We're here at the second spot, man. This BP is absolutely packed. There's like 100 cars here, so many tough cars, man. We're just checking out these GDRs here. Man, the scene down here is wild. Cars I haven't seen before. So good to meet new people, man. This is sick. All the cars have cruised to the second spot, man. Let's check this R33 here. Got the bonnet open, big power. Let's check it out, man. Running all the goods, man. Billet parts everywhere. This car sounds so aggressive. We had to take a better look at this R32, man. Big RB26 setup in here. Big Borg Warner turbo. Man, look at that inlet plenum. Custom fab work everywhere. This is sick, man. I love a tough R32 street car. Especially this one packing big power in this blue. Woo! We had to take a better look at the engine bay on this wide body chaser. Big high mount turbo, man. Looking sick. I love that engine cover. I haven't seen the Tommy one before. This is a well sorted car. It sounded wild when it rolled in. You know when a bonnet's pop, we're checking it out. An RE killer. Packing all sorts of goodness under here. It's got gritty cam gears. It's got a Pixie filters, man. This thing sounded cool rolling in, man. I love to see it. And we had to check out this Mazda 323, looking so tough, man. Slammed on the RS5 wheels. Filter out the hood, man. This is how New Zealand style is. I love to see it. Every sort of JDM car represented here. We've got a tough crew of Hondas chilling out here. Check out the graphics on this one, man. I love it when people show their individualism, man. Got a big samurai on the side. This event's huge, man. We were rolling in a probably 200 car deep convoy, man. Huge. This is such a big spot. Luckily I can fit all the cars. Absolutely packed out this BP, man. There is JDM cars everywhere. We love to see it, man. Such a big turnout. So cool to see so many different cars, different part of the country. Even more cars, man. This is a huge meet, man. Every variety of JDM car represented. Everyone having fun, meeting new people, man, and being respectful. That's what it's all about, man. We're down here at Mount Maunganui Beach. This is the third stop of the cruise, man. There's cars everywhere, man. You know we're going to check these out. And this FDRX7, man. I love FDs. It's just such a timeless shape. This one running some aftermarket Aero. Check this out, bro. Turbo sticking out through the hood. How good is this, man? It's got some gear under there, man. What a sick spot here. Check this out on Mount Maunganui Beach. Sun's shining, man. What a spot to hang out. R32 we had to take a better look at. This one running M-Spec front bumper and side skirts, man. But it was under the engine bay that caught my attention. Look at this, super clean, some nice parts, everything detailed. Look at this hot side, braided lines everywhere. Low mount turbo on the factory manifold, but it's got a super clean setup down there. Aftermarket turbo smart wastegate. Man, this is cool. You can't beat big body JZs, man. This Chaser looking fat with its big body kit, but it's this Mark II that I love, man. The pinstripe down it on the bronze wheels, this just hits, man. And this Zafira caught my attention, man. This is an Autek model running different aero. Look at the rear bumper sitting way lower than the factory one. Side skirts there. I love the wheel combo on with this color, man. It's so good. Let's check out the front bumper. The front bumper look cool too, man. Car's making noise, man. This is so good. And this Sora caught my attention. 1JZ powered manual. It's got some cool fab work there on the intake. Man, I've always had a soft spot for these cars. This one looks tough too in white, sitting slammed out. What a good meet. I met so many new people, got to check out their cars, man. Car culture in Mount Maunganui is strong, man. Such variety too. There was Rotaries, there was Skylines, JZs, Hondas, you name it, man. Good people and good times, man. Now it's time to hit the road. 3 hours back to Auckland, man. Let's get it. I'd like to take a second to thank today's video sponsor, Helensville Mechanical Services. If you need repairs, servicing, warranty, fitness, tyres, man, talk to the team at Helensville Mechanical Services. They look after both my cars, keep them on the road, man. Thanks for supporting the channel. Man, you really can't beat a road trip. Cruising with the homies and having fun, man. For you guys new to the channel, I'm my R32 Skylines sedan, powered by an RB20 DET. It's got a bigger turbo, an inlet plenum, and intercooler and stuff. Just light mods, making about 220 kilowatt at the wheels. But it's such a good cruise car, man. Just cruising down the highway. I'm cruising with my homie Brent and his JZX 100 Chaser. This is a well-sorted car, man. It's got a turbo upgrade, intercooler, exhaust, intake, all the sort of basic stuff. It's got good suspension setup. Just put a two-way diff in it, and it's so ruthless, man. But such a good, well-rounded car, man. You can literally do anything in it. It's such a perfect car for road trips, man. Man, what an epic meet. It was so good to meet so many people and check out some sick new cars, man. Thanks to the organisers for putting this on. Man, that's what car community is all about, man. If you like this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You know your boy will keep the content coming.